Hello and welcome, Babugeli Buhle Bethu, to yet another brilliant episode of Buhle Bethu. My name is Nelly Somakanya, and today we open the show right here in the hub of the country of Eswatini. We are in Manzini at the George Hotel. We are in a very special weekend, a weekend whereby we are celebrating our mothers. We are celebrating Mother's Day. What are we without mothers? We want to see what the George Hotel has prepared for our mothers, as you are wondering where to take them out so they can get pampered and just enjoy this special day, which is absolutely dedicated unto them. Let's see what the George Hotel has for our beautiful and special mothers. Stay tuned. Hi, sawubona baba.
Yebo sawubona unjani bhuti wami?
Ngiyaphila nami baba. Bengicela ukuthi introduce ligama sibongo neposition onayo la at the George Hotel.
Cha, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ligama lami ngisamukela ngokaMdluli. Food and Beverages Manager while at the George Hotel.
All right. Nah, that's nice. That's nice, Baba Mdluli. Baba Mdluli, sifuna kwathi ukuthi ingabe vele Baba Mdluli kuseda na ilanga lelikhulu kakhulu labomake lekuthiwa Mother's Day. Ingabe nilihotela nidilungiselele kanganani kutabe kuyinto le kanjani njengalakhaya kaManzini?
Nkosi yami ngiyabonga kakhulu. Le hotela lelikhulu la kaManzini, le hotela leMaswati the George Hotel. Lilanga labomake sililungiselele kakhulu. Siyaye sithi nakulilanga labomake kupheka bobaba. So ke lelilanga leli likhulu kakhulu. Sina silihotela sikhona ebukhoneni babobaba. Ukuthi sibabambise bangathi barane amabhizinisi basemsebentini babe baqabanga ukuthi basayawushiswa amabhodo. Sithi ngelisondo ngalolu suku lolukhulu lweMother's Day ababathathe bomake babalethe la enkabave ehotela lelikhulu leMaswati. Sitawube sibalungisele futhi ke lokukahle ngako kakhulu nathi sitawumake sure ukuthi lokudla lokhu kuyawupreparishwa bobaba ngoba ilanga lelikhulu labomake.
So bo chef labababe babhodo kalelanga ngibona labo baba.
Vele kufuna abanjwe ngibo bobaba mathupha lamabhodo ngoba sitabe sirepresent bobaba.
Wow. All right, so ingabe vele when it comes to lelanga itself naku selifikile lelanga umbukeli angagaza ini nje as far as ama preparations lesendiwe mhlambe ngiyabekisa etindzaweni tawo ukudla lokuphekwe bobaba balungise ukuthi bendani bahlaba inkomo noma kuthiwani bobaba batiwa ngenhloko batabapheka inhloko noma kutabe kumasonto noma kutabe kume kanjani lapho, and also basadla ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe khona abanye ama activities tinto leti zanzwa bomake mhlambe letaba mhlambe entertainment litabe tendeka la hotel ingabe lilungise kanjani tabe kuphisite la kanjani nje.
Likhulu lelilanga leli.
Yes sir.
Likhulu sitawuvele sipheke ngagalaza. Simake sure nalokuthi tonke letingone siyati representa kuyawube ufuna kuqhamuka ngaselwandle kuyawube ufuna kuqhamuka ngalo lonke nje luhlangothi lwato tonke tinyama lesinato siyawube simake sure ngoba kufana nokuthi sibuyisele emuva. Sibambisa bobaba ukuthi bomake abajabule ngalolu suku lolo bathi khanze ukuthi awucha babusile impela.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, ligama lami nginguGoodness Lungile ngwakamkhize, ngingisu chef George Hotel. Namuhla ngitokhuluma ngeSunday Mother's Day lunch lesitabe sinayo mhla 12 May. So iSunday lunch yethu ke lokhu nje sengema dinfo letincane, otherwise iSunday Mother's Day lunch yethu itfelela okunengi lokuhle angathi ngachaza kanjani, but nje it's really something that is going to wow you. The things that we have, or the menu that we have seafood. We've got platters, we've got fish, We've got salmon. Salmon is usually expensive. It's something that we don't serve every day, but on Mother's Day, we have our salmon. And then we'll be having oxtail. We'll be having goat. All the other things that you can think of that you can spoil yourself with, we will be having them on Mother's Day. So do come join us. We'd love to have you at the George Hotel, and wish you viewers a happy Mother's Day for Sunday, and hope to see you here with me. You see my beautiful smile. So I hope to see you here. Also, let me not forget that if you miss out on the Sunday Mother's Day, on Sunday we do have Sunday lunch. And the Sunday lunch is also packed with a whole lot of goodness, like my name. Our Sunday lunch is usually, it starts at 12. You can come in at any time every Sunday. We have our Sunday lunch. I promise you, you won't regret coming here. Babukele makhaya kungeda nje ukuthi i-Mother's Day yetfu akusile tinyama kuphela, akusile ama-platters kuphela, ama-platters etfu abanema-desserts also. We have cakes, we'll have custard, we have a fruit salad, ice cream. And on Mother's Day, we'll have a variety. Like, this is nothing compared to Mother's Day. We have a lot of desserts on Mother's Day, and I promise you'll enjoy yourself with the desserts. They are not too sweet. Also, I want to add that as women, we like to watch our weight. They're not too sweet. Also, we have our starters. We will be served with starters when you come. We'll have soup. We have mushroom soup. We have rolls. You'll just enjoy yourself, and I promise you, when you leave here, you'll go home. You'll just want to sleep, being spoiled as a mother.
When it comes to the entertainment side of things, mhlambe lo munye asatholileke lokwaselwandle ma-seafoods lapha sawa-enjoy mhlambe noma lothanda ke tinyama nalokwa on entertainment side of things kuhamba kanjani nalamanye ama-activities that bomake can get up to be pampered on this special day?
Kunjalo silibukile lelanga sabuka ukuthi ukhona Judah lotawube asibambele la ku-entertainment.
Oh, okay.
Ngoba sifuna ukuthi labantu labadzala bomake babuse ngaleli langa leli. Kungasiko ke lokho kuphela njengoba lo hotela uyalibona likhulu linama department lehlukene. Angeke kube kudla kuphela, i-accommodation ikhona.
Okay.
Health spa sikhona lapho khona bomake bangasheshe nangabe babhukele i-weekend batawuhamba babuse empela ngemanani laphasi banakeke mbamba, noma bafuna kuya kubo steam tinto letikhona, noma bafuna kuya ejimini tinto letikhona mpela. Leli langa selilungiselele.
What I'd like you to do is remove your gown.
Okay.
Then you'll lie on your tummy with your forehead over there and cover yourself with this towel. And I'll be with you in a few minutes.
All right.
Okay, so I'm applying the oil. So this is grapeseed oil esisebenzisago. Siyasibhice essential oils to make sure ukuthi it helps with any inflammation that you've got in the body. So my essential oils like nyano nje ngifake lemongrass. Lemongrass is very good for relaxing the muscles, circulation, and also for detoxing. Mothers are the most stressed out people in the world. They're balancing everything. They're balancing being a mother, they're balancing being a wife, they're balancing work. There's household chores, there's children to pick up, take care, there's a whole household to run. So they are the most stressed out members of our society. So this would be the best treatment that you can give to your mom or your wife or any other mother that's in your life, because this will help them to release all the stress and be a better mother, be able to do their jobs more efficiently. Mothers do everything and we don't thank them enough. So by de-stressing, helping them to de-stress, that would be the biggest thanks that you can give to your mom. So our special for this month, the month where we all think about our mothers, is a back massage for 30 minutes and then a facial, so that our moms are completely pampered, they feel relaxed afterwards, they have that glow. And also this package of ours includes using the steam room, which is also going to help with glowing skin, relaxing the muscles, hydration. All those things are the benefits that our moms are going to get this month.
Babemdluli inkinga ke yabomake yinye mina lenyadiko mhlambe nje seke ngasegcibeni inkinga lenyadiko yebo bona ngabalanga labo kepha uyukhanze ukuthi abafanani bakhona lesolo bakhathatekile nje kusingabe lokho kutawuhamba njani ingabe lokho kutawuhamba njani lokusho ukuthi nangabe nje babe yazayi ngiyamthatha ngiyamixe ngikhaba ehotela utawuzi ngeke ngibashiye bodwa labantwana la khaya mina ngeke kuloke batawusala baganga la. So let's say now kunamake lothi no nangabe uyangikhokha babe asiphume sonke umndeni wonke awuphelele la dasese uyangentela ke lo ngentela kona ingabe umndeni yini kona labangafike bakenjoy basise khona lana into celebrate Mother's Day nje kuthi umndeni uphelele ngibabe namake nebantwana na wonke umuntu. What other things can they get to enjoy khona lapha ehotel?
Yeah, kunenge inkosi yami ngoba siyawube sibale wonke umuntu is either ukuthi make utane umndeni wonke uphelele sine simenge mumo ngoba nje ngileli langa nabo bantwana ngeke sivume phela basale ekhaya ngoba nakupheke babe uyabona nje nawe ekhaya nakupheke babe ukuthi kufuna sonke si-enjoy ngoba kuyimvela kancane. So ke sithi nje sibalungisele ngiko singathi laba nesikhathi bangeda nange-weekend babhuke i-weekend until kuze kube lisonto batokhona abantwana kusebenzisa nabo swimming pool siyaye sibe nabo bo jumping castle siyabangeda nje lama activities ukuthi bonke babe accommodated. Yeah.
Alright, ingabe so abantu bayaye bente kanjani ke mhlambe la ngifuna ukubhuka nje sibukele umndeni ngiphi inombolo esisebenzisako sinithola kanjani sini hotel?
Ikhona inombolo yamahlala ekhukhwini nayo sinayo 87802 1345 7802 1345 noma ke bangena ngayo i-landline 2505 2260. Ngidot nombolo dalo lo hotela lapho khona ungakhona kungena malula ukhona ebusitakala bakhona labahlalela vele kusita wona eMaswati.
Yeah, that's nice. Alright, kwekugcina babemdluli ngidawucela ukuthi njengababe emdluli ukhulume nebabukeli lapha camera uba invite ehotela uthule kube ngumlayedo wakho lo ngabaniketa wona lelisuku labo make nekuthi uba invite kulelisuku lelikhulu endabeni nale hotela.
Cha, ngiyabonga kakhulu umuntu okungaba kuba mema nje ke eMaswati onke angakamemi bomake ngoba leli langa lelikhulu labomake but bathi ngakusingathwa kuba mema ukuthi lehotela lelikhulu lelilanga bave lehotela leMaswati lelihlala libukele wona eMaswati liyaba mema ukuthi abede phela la ingabave thina sikhonela bona sitawube sibalungisele kakhulu kulolu suku lolu lwabomake ukuthi basingathe bomake sicela bobabe emakhaya bangashiswa amabhodo ngoba thina sikhonela bona. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba. Ngicandiswa ukuthi vele umbukelo wabuhle bethu ukuthi kule weekend lesiya kiyo ya Mother's Day bobabe abangashiswa amabhodo. Ihotela elikhulu eliseNkhaba vele lilungise konke ukuthi nini nemndeni wonke ngentatosi kathi sabomake sisaba celebrate on this Mother's Day special. Bukela buhle bethu. That's all that we have for you from Manzini, the George Hotel. Stay tuned. We are still on the Mother's Day edition, and right now I am here at Olive Country Lodge. They've just welcomed me here with this wonderful mocktail. You know, these are good things. This is the life, soft life, I'm telling you. Before I take a sip on this mocktail, let us just find out what do they have for us, because already things are going good. They've just welcomed me nice like this. I'm sure it's really exciting what they have for Mother's Day inside. Let's find out what they have for you. Let's go. Sawubona bhuti.
Yebo bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila nami mnakethu. Yes, bengicela ukuthi introduce ligama lakho sibonga nesingabe yini vele iposition lonayo la ekhaya.
Okay, siyabonga bhuti. Ligama lami ngingilindani Ngozo mine. Ngi frontline officer khona la ekhaya, shothi ngimi lo mukela ema guests. Mhlambe ngiwa transfer to the different departments lesinawo la ekhaya. I'm the person responsible for the splendid experience yema guest khona la ekhaya. Shothi nje ngaphinze ngithi ngi first point of contact, be it kuthi ude noma physically na ufika la utafike uthole mine, noma usend email uthola mine, noma ushaya icingo uthola mine, nakuto tonke tinkundla tekuchumana lesinato la ekhaya, bo Facebook, Instagram nabo TikTok usuke ukhuluma nami.
You are the person.
I am the person
of Olive Country Lodge. Because when Lenza ex, you are the one who takes me through the splendid experience. And that means I found the right person.
Yeah,
all right, so now I want to know, ukuthi njengoba siku weekend lenhle, nayi weekend lenhle lesiya kiyo ya Mother's Day. There's a special day there called Mother's Day. I just want to understand, ukuthi njengomuntu lophethe splendid experience. How are we making sure ukuthi bomake bethu they are also having a splendid experience khona like Olive Country Lodge?
Kulo langa labo make lelitako kunenhle sikulungisile for bomake. Ngidawucala nje ngekuthi ikhombisa lithandvo labo make sibalungisele iset menu lapho khona batawu khona mhlambe kukhetha kudla labakufunako. So iset menu yethu ine starter, ine main course, ine dessert. So iset menu akusiyo ibuffet, ngicela ukucacisa ukuthi akusiyo ibuffet, but it is where you choose khona lokuthi utafike uthole ema starters mhlambe lang 4 ufike ukhethe ukuthi ayi mine ngi-vegetarian so ngidawuthanza le starterless, noma mine ngithanza i-seafood so ngidawuthanza le starterless. Bese kuba ne-main course. I-main course yethu nayo ita-accommodate wonke umvu nema-vegetarians, ataba-accommodated, naloyo lothanza inyama mhlambe nalothanza i-seafood utaba-accommodated. Bese siba nema-dessert. Nakhona utawukhetha i-dessert yinye kulawa lesitabe siwabekile.
Okay.
Yes.
Yo, that sounds like a splendid experience. Yes, wasakhuluma ngale splendid experience.
Siphinze sibe ne-accommodation lakhaya.
Okay.
So siyaye sibe nalama services ukuthi siyakhona mhlambe kukuhlobisela indlu yakho, nangabe ufuna kuletha mako wakho mhlambe angedana babe wakho, siyakhona kukulungisela indlu mhlambe siyihlobise ngalendlela lofuna ngayo ngemanani laphasi kakhulu. So sine tindlu letihlukahlukene letikhona lakhaya. Lekucala kuboguca. Boguca is just a traditional guca. Lo utayele but with a modern finish. So as you can see ukuthi kungilo guca lo matiko but the interior is kind of modern. Bese siba nemashalays ethu njengowabona Aston built. Emashalays ethu but nawo ane modern finish. it's just the traditional look but with a modern finish. So sinato letindlu letihlukahlukene nani laphasi tinema prizes lahlukahlukene nakhona. But nje siyakwendela konke lokufunako lokufuna kwendela umntalo wakho ngale Mother's Day.
Kutabe khona.
Yeah, kutabe khona.
All right, so now mhlambe nabeta abantu maybe they are coming as a family bayeta lana. I'm sure there's a whole lot more that they can get to enjoy apart from loku celebrate ilanga labo mama. Ngingabe ngimaphi lamanye ama activities and other things nje leti khona ekhaya Olive Country Lodge nangifikile ngakhona ukuthi ngitende. Akunenza abasingithandzani manje everyone ngoba bomake uyathi ekhaya nakahamba nje mhlawumbe ufuna kuhamba nababa ufuna kuhamba nebantwana nesimlethe yethu. So what are other things that itholakala eCountry Lodge kuze singa celebrate ama holiday lamahle njengalele Mother's Day?
Ngitawucala nje phasi, ngicela phasi. Ngicale nje ekutheni okay sinale restaurant ne bar la sine a la carte menu khona lapho ufike order from our a la carte menu sikulungisele kudla kwakho le kuyayithathe bo 25 to 40 minutes. Siphinze sibe nelibara lapho siseva a fully licensed bar, siseva every kind of drink. Lekhona soft drink, beers, ciders, mocktails, cocktails, wines, spirits, everything.
Mocktails lafana na yam lemnandi.
Lafana na yakho njengale yakho.
Okay.
Bese siba ne swimming pool. I-swimming pool yethu for lodging guests shothi labalele etindlini yaye ibe mahala. Sibhadalisa labo nje laba chamuka ukuthi bachamukele kutobhukusha nje but ke siyaye sibe ne special nase restaurant ukuthi na uthenge i-amount letside ukuthi mhlambe ngiyabekisa uthenge kudla kwa 300 so tawukhona kungena e-swimming pool mahala ema specials la kanjalo. Siyaye sibe nema games for bantwana ngekubuka ke ukuthi nebamfla abadzala bayadzinga ukuthi bahle bati dlala nabo letinfo.
Yes.
Sibe sesibona ukuthi sisale introducer nalawa ebamfla abadzala. So ema games ethu lesivamisa kuba nawo ngema holidays asa accommodate everyone. Sewade i-age limit. So nemvlo mdzala uyakhona kudlala kutato dlala nabo make nje enyangeni yabo singaba encourage ukuthi ngalama holidays basihlole nalabamfa babo bababukelele ku social media.
So ngalama weekends nje kuvele kube nalawo ma games lawo ke.
Yes, kuvele kube nalawo ma games lawo noma ke ngema holidays on the special holidays that we have in the country.
All right.
Yeah.
Nah, that's really exciting. So now when it comes to ngivukhuluma ma specials na Mother's Day, I want to know, is there any kind of special lesikhona mhlambe tinto le mhlambe ngakuthola mhlambe nguwine ngivukhuluma mhlambe labanye bangathola ama drink tinto kanjalo? Is there any plan lenendile mhlambe towards Mother's Day?
Okay, besides i-set menu yethu lesinayo si-sponsorishe the florist shop eGables eZulwini. Lapho khona ema clients angakhona ukuthi makahamba athenga timbali noma i-bouquet of flowers the florist shop eZulwini bese abuya abhala i-message noma i-sweet message nje lemnanzi nasashuthele imbali yakhe ayibhale la i-message lemnanzi ukuthi umthanzelani makwakhe noma nje abhale i-sweet message about umtali wakhe lapho khona utawuba sethubeni lekuwina i-weekend away lese Olive Country Lodge.
Wow.
So basically we have sponsored the florist shop eZulwini.
Wow.
Yes, weekend away Olive Country Lodge. So ungashona ekhasini labo uyobona lokuthi ema details laphelele athi but nje cishe ngilokule sengikushide lokuthi nje you just buy le bouquet yama flowers bese ubhala i-message lemnanzi nemntalo wakho lapha ngamake wakho lapha bese uba sethubeni lekuthi winela i-weekend away Olive Country Lodge uto experience iYithabantu highway iYithabantu hospitality.
Okay. All right. Wow, that's really brilliant and exciting. So njengoba ushito ukuthi you are the front man, you are the communication guy, you are the one that we meet on everything. I want to know about the handles on social media. I've seen my handles as Olive Country Lodge where people can get more information about your specials, particularly even the Mother's Day, and also maybe you can also give us contact details. Maybe people want to make inquiries, their bookings, just all the contact details including social media.
Okay, ngidawucala ngenombolo lesinayo la khaya longayishayela noma lekhona ka WhatsApp. Let's see 76526263. Ngidawucela kuyiphinza ithi 76526263. Iyatholakala na ka WhatsApp le nombolo leyo. Ka Facebook sikhona it's Olive Country Lodge eSwatini, sikhona ka Instagram Olive Country Lodge, sikhona na ka TikTok it's Olive Country Lodge nakhona. Bese email yethu kuna olivecountryLodge@gmail.com. Phinze sibe na booking@olivecountryLodge.co.za. Sinayo ne website lakhaya labangayivakashela ema clients noma ke labafise kubona noma kuvaka abantu ngeOlive Country Lodge lengu www.olivecountryLodge.co.za.
Nice. All right. And so lastly, Mr. Ngozi, I'd like you to speak to the camera, talk to the viewers. Let's talk about you inviting them, wishing them a good day, Mother's Day, your Mother's Day message, and also inviting them to your space.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngingathanza nje kubafisela lisuku lelihle labo bomake kwinyanga yabo lena ngingabakhuthaza nje mhlawumbe ukuthi bavele eOlive Country Lodge bato experience iThabantu Hospitality njengoba sengishilo sinako konke from restaurant and bar la khona kutfola khona kudla nema drinks. We have accommodation from Boguca, Mashalesa, standard self-catering chalets, bese siba nema luxury rooms. Siyawenda ke nema specials, mhlambe na ufuna kusurprise umvu wakho uyakhona kusishayela noma uchumane nathi kule mniningwane lesengimemedile esikhona ukulungisela ema special rooms mhlambe la nema deco kungasiko bomake kuphela mhlambe ngaba nje diTanzani basi nje ngingakhuthaza abamfla basha ukuthi bathathe bomake babo babayise eOlive Country Lodge.
Mbukela buhle bethu, Elder M. Russell once said there is no responsibility that is so essential like that of motherhood. We are celebrating our mothers. It's Mother's Day. I'd like to say Happy Mother's Day to all our wonderful and beautiful mothers all over Eswatini. Siyaziqhenya ngani bomake bethu. Qhubekani nibukele ihlelo buhle bethu. Next week we are still here, same time, same place, bringing you more places you can visit in the beautiful kingdom of Eswatini. Until next week, goodbye.